Okay. One more time?
Okay. Just keep doing it. See how long he goes. All right, we'll turn it off. Is that it, Ryan?
You done?
Is that all you got? Do it some more. Do it some more, Mommy.
I can't stand it.
Ryan, that's crazy.
Mommy's crying. I can't handle it. It's too funny. You are the cutest thing ever.
Oh, you know this is going straight in his mouth. Dude, like, wave your arm like that without the pantyhose. See what he does. Yeah, he's just slap happy. I think that's his problem.
He's tired. Okay, that's enough entertainment for the day.